Hello, I am Pamela and welcome to the Money Channel. I am coming to you from Richmond, Virginia, live this Sunday morning. So excited to tell you I got my Payquicker Visa card in the mail yesterday. Here it is. I'm so excited. So I opened the envelope, but I haven't taken it out yet. This is my unboxing video for my Payquicker Visa card that I got from HealthyNULiving, which is my home-based business. I've had the money loaded on here for about a week while I was waiting to get my card. So here it is on the paper. Dun, dun, dun. I'm so excited to activate my card and spend some money. Gotta buy myself something. I'm so excited. Make sure you tell everyone. I was going to say don't tell nobody, but yes, tell everyone. Pamela has gotten her Payquicker card for HealthyNULiving, for my commissions and matching bonuses on the 2x10 matrix. I'm getting 100% matching bonuses because I have signed up 4 upgraded people. I've signed up more than that, but once you sign up 2 upgraded members, you get 50% discount, and once you sign up 4 upgraded members, you get 100% matching bonus. Did I say discount before? I meant matching bonus. Sorry about that. Yeah, you sign up 2 upgraded members and you get 50% matching bonus. 4 upgraded members, you get 100% matching bonus. And you get it on the Payquicker Visa card. I'm excited. You can have one of these too. Income disclaimer, no income is guaranteed. I have to say that for legal reasons. But if you put in some effort, it's not very hard. You can sign up members, get them to upgrade. Well, you don't have to get them to upgrade. They're going to want to upgrade because who doesn't want to make 100% matching bonuses for no extra effort? I know I do. I signed up right away and upgraded. Upgrade. It only costs $30 to upgrade until June 1st, and then it goes up to $39.95. But that does include a coupon for products. Products are approved by the GMP, and they are produced in an FDA-approved facility and third-party tested for potency and purity. Products are excellent. I'm already taking Oxyburn for my weight loss challenge. I want to lose 20 pounds. I'm using the assistance of Oxyburn. Also, I just ordered Max Detox with Acea Berry, and I ordered Keto Drops. I'm very excited to get those. I will do an unboxing for those as well. But I ordered them on a monthly subscription where I get a 33% discount. Otherwise, if you just like a one-time order, it's a 20% discount. And my sponsor receives a 20% commission, plus whatever matching bonus he or she qualifies for. So, the Max Detox with the monthly subscription is $18.75, and the Keto Drops on a monthly subscription is $16.72. I don't know where you could get these products any cheaper. I really don't. Not a health food store, not anywhere online are you going to find these products or products like these that are going to work so well for me. I'm so confident any cheaper. So if you want to get these products, get the link in the description, sign up free to HealthyNULiving, and order to your heart's content. There's plenty of other products as well for men and women's health and for your pet's health as well. And we will be adding more products as time goes by. You can get those in over, well, right now 119 countries, more countries being added soon. So if you want to earn an income with HealthyNULiving like I do on your Payquicker Visa card, all you have to do is upgrade. Upgrade, $30, and you can put in the effort, do a little work, and it's basically talking to people and maybe make some videos. I never used to make videos until I started doing this, and the more you do, the better you get, and you may be nervous at first, but you can get over that, make you some money, get your Payquicker Visa card, just like me. Yeah, so grab that link in the description, and you can sign up for a free lifetime membership. Get your 20% discount on the products, or upgrade for $30 and earn a living. Get your money on your Payquicker Visa card, just like me. Again, disclaimer, no income is guaranteed. Your results are based on your efforts. However, we do help you build your downlines. So come on, join me, get on my team, and let's rock this out. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Hit the all on the bell icon so you get notified every time I put out a video, just like this. Thanks. See ya.